It's Jane and Mike from Earth Care Farm, and it's Mother's Day. We wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and especially our Mother Earth. We're here in the High Tunnel. It is, so it's Mother's Day, so it's May 9th?
10th, I would
Yeah,
think.
yes.
I don't know.
And
merges together.
Yeah. And this is our message. I think if you guys started things from seed like we did, your house, your windowsills, this is our high tunnel, are so jam-packed with plants right now, just waiting for the temperatures to rise. And it's getting hard to walk in here. It's also a lovely place. Today, my sister and I are going to have our staycation in here. We're going to have margaritas 6 feet apart from each other and pretend like we're on a tropical vacation. It's going to be wonderful. But we want to talk about how important it is to know that you can't put out your tomatoes, basil, cucumbers, beans, any of that warm, loving stuff yet. It just needs to hang on in a warm space in your house, getting to be a crazy jungle for a couple more weeks. Here at our farm, we're in a bit of a frost pocket, so we wait until Memorial Day to put our things out. It has to be the end of May. It's hard because you just want to get a start, but just is safer for your plants. And I don't know, do you want to say?
And I just add that, we may not be happy about the present situation, but when you're gardening, you can still be at peace with everything. So even though we're not enjoying all that's going on and many people are hurting, I think you can still find a sense of peace when you're in your garden.
Or around your plants in your living room. Thank you so much, and hope you're enjoying this.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Take care.